would be the जो है ना डिप्टी प्राइम
Great.
मिनिस्टर,
Sir.
वुड बी मिनिस्टर, और आज आपको प्राइम मिनिस्टर बता रहे हैं और हमने जो है ना रात तक जो है ना 10 लोगों को और जोड़ के आपसे ऊपर पहुंच गए, तो वुड बी प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैथिली शरण गुप्ता हो जाएंगे, एस के शर्मा डिप्टी प्राइम मिनिस्टर हो जाएंगे, राइट?
सर ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन करवा दो एक बार तो we can sort out these kind of people, sir.
Yeah,
Great, sir.
this is the strategy. This is
Sir.
the strategy. Then now I will be sharing the documents with you. You can go through it.
Right, sir.
With what energy? I will say that all those 5 things which I have suggested you, please do that immediately. And
Sure,
I
sir.
am just creating your group, so I will request you to please start adding your family members, your
Yeah, sir.
relatives, and everybody.
My brother,
And anybody and
boss,
everybody you knew till this point.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. In fact, I'll put up a lot of army officers who are retired and good
Don't go
people,
by
sir.
that. Basically, majority of the people, they are self-centered. They feel that they have done enough of the job. They would like to enjoy kitty party. They would like to enjoy golf. They would like to enjoy.
हाँ,
So I mean, that's
नहीं
the
सर,
problem.
ऐसे लोगों से मेरा ज्यादा संबंध नहीं है सर. I
मैं तो ये
believe
कह रहा हूँ
my
कि
circle itself is like this.
मेरा ये कहना है, आप तो सभी को जोड़ो, जिसको
Sir.
भागना होगा वो भागने दो उसको. आप अपना दिमाग क्यों लगाते हो जब आपको दुष्टों और दुर्जनों और अपराधियों में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बिकॉज यू फील यू कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म देम, तो फिर आप क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको?
सही बात है सर. हाँ, ये ट्रू सर. मेरे जैसा कोई इच्छुक होगा तो वो खुद कॉल करेगा सर.
Very true. So with this, I would like to conclude, and
Thank you so much,
within
sir.
15 minutes, our conversation will be, first leg will be in the air.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, great. Bye bye.
Jain sir, and also I'll request whatever you're sharing, sir, if you can share it to me also. I'm adding your number to my this thing, my WhatsApp and
Yeah, you
my
please
mobile.
by immediately you do all those 5 links. Number 1, download app. Number 2, subscribe YouTube channel.
Sir.
I would like to just suggest that you know how to bypass the algorithm of YouTube. Do you know that or you don't know?
Bypass the algorithm of the YouTube.
YouTube. Basically, there's a biggest handicap is that you are being pumped the material as per the assessment of the YouTube only.
Correct, sir.
So it is being done through algorithm. But
Okay.
I have devised a way whereby you can bypass it.
Achha, okay, I'm not aware of that.
So I will tell you. It will take a minute more.
Sure, sir.
Basically, you open your YouTube. Can you open your YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Should I do it right now?
Do